Hey guys, you probably know by the title of this video, but I am going to Hawaii! Yay! I'm so excited. So we don't have a reason for going to Hawaii. We're really going just because we have a friend that lives there and we're staying with them. And then because we are flying out right before the holiday season, the flights were pretty inexpensive. So knowing that the flights weren't going to be too much and we weren't going to have to pay for a hotel or anything like that, we were like, heck, why not go? Plus, on top of it, we're going to be gone the week of my birthday, so I'm very excited to be celebrating in Hawaii. Now, I was originally going to do a planning for Hawaii video alongside this packing one, but to be honest, we really haven't planned anything at all. We know for sure that we want to go visit and tour Pearl Harbor, but that's about it. We really just want to kind of relax on the beach, go exploring, do some hiking, and that's about it. The nice thing is that we've rented a car, so if we do want to go anywhere spur of the moment, we aren't dependent on someone else for a ride. But if we do end up planning anything, it's probably just going to be the night before. So I was like, heck, why am I even going to film a planning video if I'm not even planning? So we are doing a packing video today. I'm just going to be packing my suitcase and getting everything prepared to go to Hawaii. So the suitcase I have is just a carry-on size from Calpac. I absolutely love the design. I love that it's black and I love that it has all these edgy features to it. On the inside, I love that the left side of the suitcase is covered with this cover. I don't know what to call it, but it's just a zipper cover to kind of contain everything, and then it also gives you some additional pockets. I'm pretty sure they don't sell this suitcase anymore, but I'll make sure to link the website down below in case you guys are interested in getting a Calpac suitcase as well. So because we're not really planning anything and we really just want to relax, Sean and I have decided that we're going to pack light for this vacation and casual as well. We don't have anything fancy that we really want to do. So a lot of what I'm packing is activewear. I've got a lot of shorts and a lot of tank tops and t-shirts as well. I'm packing myself 3 sports bras and then 3 swimsuits as well. I figured I'm probably going to be wearing my swimsuit throughout the day, so that could double as a bra. And then I'm only packing myself 1 set of pajamas. I'm also bringing 1 cover-up that I can double as a dress if needed. On the left side of my suitcase, I'm packing all of my clothes so I can zip them up with that little cover, but then on the right side, I'm kind of packing all of my little knickknacks. I've got a tripod in there, my makeup bag, my hair dryer, my straightener, and to be honest, I don't even know if I'm going to be using my hair dryer or straightener. I have no idea. I'm just bringing it just in case because I have the room. But I've got my hairbrush in there, my tennis shoes. I just realized I forgot to pack my rain jacket, so I'm going to make sure to pack that as well. And then also we're going to need to grab our wallets, obviously, our keys, sunglasses, our passports, things like that. Just those little essentials that you need no matter where you're going. And then I have a few other things that I want to pack that I just ordered on Amazon, but they will easily fit inside of my suitcase. And then I'm also going to be bringing my backpack. I've had this since high school. It is a North Face Recon backpack, I think. Yeah, it's a Recon backpack. So I've had this for years. It got me through high school and college, and now it is my everyday work backpack, and I take it with me when I travel. So if you are looking for a backpack to invest in, I highly suggest North Face. This thing has lasted forever. So along with my carry-on suitcase, I'm going to be bringing this backpack on the plane with me. Inside I'll have my purse, probably my iPad, my noise-canceling headphones, my little medicine and toiletry bag, and then I'll also have my liquids bag in here as well. So that'll be like my toothpaste, my shampoo, my contact solution, all that kind of stuff will go in that little quart-sized Ziploc bag that you have to take through security. Because we aren't checking a bag, all of my liquids have to fit in this tiny little bag, and I've made it work. I'll also be putting my cameras in this bag, so I'm going to be bringing my big camera that I'm filming on now along with my little vlogging camera, and then we'll probably bring our GoPro with us as well, which I'm really excited to use. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to bring a laptop or not. If I do, it'll end up just going in the back pocket back here, and then of course any kind of plane snacks that we want to bring with will be going in this backpack so I can easily get to them. Oh, and I bring a water bottle. I bring a water bottle with me everywhere, especially when I'm flying. Just make sure to empty it out before you go through security. And then when you get past security, you can always refill it at a drinking fountain or at a restaurant. They'll usually let you fill up your water there. And then I just put that in the side pocket. Okay, so I mentioned that there are a few things that I just ordered on Amazon that have not arrived yet. I'm going to show you guys what those are right now. So something that Sean and I needed that we haven't gotten yet was a good pair of outdoor kind of sandals or water shoes. And the ones I end up picking for us are called Chacos. I got myself a pair and then Sean a pair as well. And all they are really just sandals that are great for hiking, going on the beach, swimming, things like that. And they're good on terrain that might be rough or uneven, and yet they're comfortable to wear throughout the day. So I picked each of us up a pair of those just because I know they will be good to have not only for our Hawaii trip, but then all of the adventures that I know will be going on in the future. Next, I picked us up 2 dry sacks or waterproof bags. I picked us up a pink one in the 2-liter size, and then I picked us up a black one in the 5-liter size. The black one will probably hold our cameras or anything bigger, and then the pink one I'm really planning on just storing our phones and maybe our wallets in. And these sacks will probably just go inside of our backpacks when we're doing stuff throughout the day. I also picked us up a set of 2 waterproof phone cases. The thing that I liked about these specifically were that they floated. So a lot of times someone might have a waterproof case, but then they drop their phone and it falls to the bottom. And if you're in the ocean, the bottom can be a very far place away. I decided that I really liked the idea of the floating ones, and I don't know if we'll actually end up using these, but they're always good to have just in case. Another thing that I picked up was this super light travel yoga mat, and the reason I picked this up is because I know for a fact I'm going to be doing yoga while I'm there, and I didn't really want to be lugging around my regular full-size yoga mat. It's not going to fit inside of my carry-on suitcase very well, so I needed a yoga mat that was a little bit more portable, a little bit more compact, and is easy to travel with. And like I mentioned earlier, this is going to be useful time and time again anytime that we travel and I'm wanting to bring my yoga mat with me. The last thing I picked up is really just some reading material for the plane. It's called Oahu Revealed. We are going to be staying on the island of Oahu, and I'm kind of excited just to read through this book, see what's in it, see if there's anything that might pique our interest, and we can plan to go there the day before. This book did come highly recommended, and it's a bestseller on Amazon, so I figured it was a good purchase to make to learn a little bit more about Oahu. Alright you guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. I am so excited to go to Hawaii. I've never been there before, and it's just going to be a special treat to be going over my birthday, so I'm very, very excited, and I hope that I'll be able to share my experience with you guys. Hopefully I'll get some good footage while I'm there and pictures and things like that. I'm sure there will be a video going up later in the next week or 2 that documents our trip there. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!